Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Drop Project. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean a K&N air filter. Before you watch this video, subscribe now. First thing you need to do is to remove your K&N air filter. The air intake box is held by metal clips and tabs. This design is almost similar to most vehicles. Just pull those tabs and get the air intake filter out of the way. Actually, we already cleaned this air intake filter about a month ago. We decided to film it in order to show you guys how to do it. In order to clean your K&N air intake filter, you need to have a K&N recharger kit. This is required for every K&N air intake filter users so that they will be able to clean the air filter properly and safe. You can buy this at any online shopping site or at your nearest K&N local distributor. This is the instruction of the recharger kit. You can pause the video and take time to read it depending on your own language. I also provided an on-screen English instruction for you to easily read it. This is what the recharger kit contains. It has an air filter cleaner that is on a spray bottle, and the air filter oil, which is an aerosol type. The other type of this is the bottled air filter oil, where you need to squeeze it in order to apply it on the filter. I recommend the aerosol type since it is easier to coat the air filter evenly without any much hassle. On to the cleaning process. Spray the air filter cleaner on all areas. Spray it evenly on both sides of the filter. When rinsing the air intake filter, always remember the airflow direction. The dirt are trapped at the bottom of the filter, which means you need to rinse it from the top to the bottom of the air intake filter. In that way, the dirt will be effectively removed. If you do it opposite, the dirt will penetrate the filter, which is bad. Rinse the air intake filter using a low-pressured water. Do not use high-pressure water, as this can destroy the air filter. The pressure of the water is weak, but remember that this is only for demonstration purposes. The picture on the screen is an example of the pressure that you can apply for rinsing. Next step is to spray the oil into the air intake filter. Spray it only at the bottom of the air intake filter or where the air passes through the filter. The filtration works at the bottom of the filter, which is where you will spray the oil. It is not a good idea to spray the oil at the top of the filter, otherwise it will be sucked by the engine and the oil will ruin the mass airflow sensor. The function of the oil is to improve the filtration. It acts as a tacking agent. It holds dirt and contaminants that could potentially penetrate the filter and pass through. Spray it evenly on all areas. After spraying, wipe off the excess oil around the filter. Wipe off the excess oil again. Then reinstall the air intake filter. Make sure that the intake box is properly secured. And that's how you clean a K&N air intake filter. I hope you appreciate and find this helpful. Subscribe now for more videos, and please don't forget to hit like and click the notification bell to keep you guys updated whenever I release a new video. Thank you very much and God bless.